Hey y'all, it's me, Lynn Daniel, coming to you today from the Buddy Zone. This is my teacher YouTube channel here on YouTube where I talk about my teacher life. And so today is Monday, April 29th. I've already changed the date here at school, but up there on the board you can see it says the 29th. Okay, so in our teacher YouTube community, we are participating in the teacher gift exchange for Teacher Appreciation Week, and this exchange was put together by Ruth of A Diary of a Mad Black Teacher. And so I received my gift today in the mail here at school, and I just opened it, but I don't know what it is. I wanted to cut open the container because it was put together quite well. Oh, I didn't get everything. And so, I don't know what's in here. I know it costs that much to ship it. Wow, that's expensive. Okay, so let's open it and see. It is from V. Navarez. Wow, they've got it in here like... Okay, and then here's a card, and the card says, oh, it says V, the Spanglish Maestra. Hola, Lynn, it's Valeria from the channel, the Spanglish Maestra. I teach 4th grade to ELL, so I teach in both English and Spanish. As a fairly new teacher, I enjoy watching your channel. I hope you like your gift. I had a lot of fun making it for you. I actually made a video of me making it. You should go check it out. I have only made 3 of these frames so far, and now you are a proud owner of one. I'm crossing my fingers that it made it to you in one piece. Sorry about the huge Santa bag. I was trying to make it safe. LOL. I hope you are having a great school year. Happy Teacher Appreciation Week, Valeria, aka the Spanglish Maestra. Beautiful. That's very nice. Okay, I'm gonna sit this over here. I think I need these scissors again. And that's my logo. Wait, that's my logo with my name and my logo. That's awesome. And that's like a coin a cosmetic bag. That is too cute. Thank you. Did she make that? That is awesome. And then, oh wow, everything's packed up. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see. Oh, she's got it taped down. And I think I need a new camera, guys, because this camera keeps... OM goodness. OM goodness. OM goodness, guys. Look at this. A pencil made of flowers, but they're like artificial flowers. And my name in a frame. OM goodness, guys. That is too beautiful. That is too beautiful. I am going to sit it right up here in my classroom. Well, right there. Thank you, Valeria. I love the gift. You are so artistic and creative, and I really appreciate the effort and thoughtfulness that you put into everything. All right, have a blessed day, y'all. Thank you for watching my channel, and go check out Valeria's channel. And Valeria, I will be watching the video that shows how you made the frame. All right, you all, be blessed. Bye.